Hey, hello. My name is Michael Zhu. Currently, I'm living in Australia. My current job is a mortgage broker and a financial consultant. Why I use Valeria's EA? Because in the past, I found it's really hard to, make the profit in the Forex market until I, notice that Valeria's EA can make a stable profit from her signal. She developed a lot of EA and a lot of signal, and most of them can make a stable income. Okay, you can check her signal in the website. So this is the reason why I purchased her the first EA, in the last year, in October. The first EA I purchased from Valeriia is Night Hunt. This EA really gave me a stable income. Okay, my start funds is 5,000, but after trading for 1 year, I made a profit for almost 40,000. So this is a very big amount. Because this EA gave me a very stable and high profit, so I purchased the second EA from Valeriia in this June. Okay, and later I purchased the third one, which is News Catcher. Later I will show my trading result in my live account. Okay, no worries. After I purchased the EA and trade with the Valeria's EA, she still gave me a good after sales service. When I have any question, she is always very patient and take serious to my question. Like Waka Waka, she gave me a very comprehensive trading plan to try to lower the risk. Because in the forest market there's a lot of scam EA, but for Valeria's EA, it is really a true profit EA. Trust me, and you can check her signal. And even after you purchase her product, she still can give you a good service. So, to be honest, I strongly recommended her EA to you. Let's see one of my live account. You can see the profit is 5,294. The broker I used is Go Market. Okay, I trade from last October, and you can see NH means Night Hunt. I simply record as NH. Some comments I removed as blank because I don't want my broker to know this key information. So I also suggest every trader can remove this key information. I also draw a profit picture, profit graph in the Excel. You can see the growth is very stable by trade with Night Hunt. So this is a really perfect EA. We can let's check another my living account. You can see the profit is almost 5,000. It's 4,972. I began the trading also in last October. You can see the trading EA is Night Hunt as well. Night Hunt as well. Sometimes I record as NH. NH means Night Hunt. Let's check another my living account. The profit is 6,587. Okay, it's really a good profit. The broker is also go market, and this is my account number. And for these three accounts, I also, stop trading in this May and transfer all the funds to IC Market and the Paper Stone, because I think for IC Market and the Paper Stone, their trading result is better than Go Market.